Monobloc taps can be a real struggle to fit properly. Split click monobloc washers are great when you're installing monobloc taps on almost any surface. Ceramics, stone, slate, steel or wood. The monobloc washer allows you to get a quick and strong installation, while also seating the tap exactly where you want it. To install your tap, feed the hot and cold pipes through the washer, making sure the collar of the washer faces up to the underside of the work surface. Connect the pipework to the base of your tap as normal. Line up the threaded fixing bars with the holes in the monobloc washer, and after placing the C-shaped disc washer, which usually comes with the tap, over the bar, tighten up the back nut. Your monobloc tap is now installed solidly, properly located and with no mess. Available for both double and single bar monobloc taps.